How to convert teaspoon to tablespoon in Microsoft Excel. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this quick Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can convert teaspoon to tablespoon in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. Take a look at this workbook. In column A, we have teaspoon and we need to convert them to tablespoon in column B. For that, I'm going to write here equal to and write convert. Excel has a built-in convert function that can convert from one measurement system to another. I'm going to double click here, select the number we want to convert. Our from unit will be, if I add comma, our from unit will be teaspoon, and I'm going to scroll down and find teaspoon. Okay, and here we have our teaspoon. Double click here and the parameter is within double quotation small tsp, and now we need to find out tablespoon. If I add comma, the second parameter is tablespoon, and here we have that. If I double click here and if I close parentheses and press enter, we have our tablespoon. If I double click here, our formula has autofill, and here 6 teaspoon equal to 2 tablespoon. Okay, so this is how you can convert teaspoon to tablespoon in Microsoft Excel. This is what I wanted to show you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. If you can, support the channel through Patreon and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.